Here, we're putting the Pro 40 Gazebo to the test, demonstrating why Gala Tent uses durable Super Nylon for the joints in our manufacturing process. These joints are engineered for longevity, offering the same strength as solid steel with added flexibility to handle uneven ground. They won't crack under extreme pressure, even when subjected to the kind of force we show in this video. Strength meets style. Our tough, hammer-tested grey nylon joints ensure easy setup and complement the 40mm aluminium silver frame. The result? A blend of strength and elegance. At Gala Tent, we produce top-quality pop-up gazebos designed for durability. Gala Tent products not only offer an impressive visual appeal, but also deliver exceptional value for money, boasting a longer lifespan than any other gazebo on the market. This ensures a strong return on investment for our customers. With over 25 years of industry experience, our patent-protected products and trusted trademarks are relied upon by thousands of customers worldwide. Gala Tent is unbeatable on quality and value for money.